Hey guys, today's video is a Dollar General haul and I'm super excited because I have some amazing fall finds to share with you guys. Welcome back to Ria's World of Ideas. If you are new to my channel, I am Ria, and on my channel I love sharing all the ideas that I find helpful in my life and home, and hopefully you'll find them helpful in your life and home as well. So if you're not a subscriber already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave this video, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you're always notified on all the new videos that I put out. And if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up to let me know that you enjoyed it so that I'm able to bring more videos to you guys in the future that you guys would like. So with all that being said, let's jump into today's video. And like I said, I have a Dollar General haul for you guys, and I'm super excited because Dollar General, just like Dollar Tree, has been bringing out a lot of great fall decor stuff for great prices. And I was blown away because Dollar General has a lot of things that I've seen in Kirkland's that go for way more for much less. So let's just jump right in. So the first thing I want to share with you guys is the pillows. I'm obsessed with the pillows that Dollar General has right now. Not only by how cute they are, but the price, guys. They are only $8. These big rectangular pillows are only $8, which is such a good deal because I've seen a similar version of the pillows that I'm gonna be sharing with you guys. I've seen similar versions on the Kirkland website and other stores for much more, guys. You will not find a lot of decorative pillows for just $8 that look this great, especially holiday pillows. So Dollar General is really giving us great deals this year. So this one says leaves are falling, autumn is calling, and it has like the beautiful, like I think like they call them the gingham, like with the orange and stuff, like print on the side, and then it also has like this little like beige burlap part on it with this beautiful black writing. And look at the pattern, look at it, it's just so beautiful, and these pillows are so full. And guys, the stitching on this is amazing because like I told you guys in my Dollar Tree haul, Walmart is bringing out some fall stuff, but their fall pillows, I noticed the stitching is really horrible. Like if you guys ever go to the store, take a look at the stitching. It looks really bad. It doesn't look like it's very good quality. This one looks such great quality, like high quality, and it's only $8. Like I'm so in love with these pillows. Now they do have some square pillows there as well. Those go for $10. They had the buffalo check black and white, and they had some cute designs, but I didn't like any of those, which I was actually glad because I didn't want to buy any $10 pillows. I'd rather spend $8, even though it's $2 less, because I bought 3 of them, so I'd rather spend $8. So, but they do have them in there if you guys want some square pillows. They are some available there as well for $10, which I feel like it is a good deal compared to the other ones. I just don't want to spend $10. This next one is also $8, and it also has the orange and beige pattern, the little checkered pattern, and it has like these little balls at the end of it. Look at how cute these little balls look. These are so decorative. This one is gonna go in my bedroom, and look how full this pillow is, you guys. Like it's so full. I'm just blown away that this is only $8 compared to like all of the decorative pillows that I've ever seen. This is like much less, and it's just so cute, and it's beautiful for fall. The last one is also $8, and I'm trying not to knock nothing down back there. It's also a rectangular one, and this one says Home Sweet Home, and it has a beautiful, like the pumpkin, the decoration, the beautiful writing as well, and it's on this like burlap kind of material. Such great pillows. I mean, I'm just like, I'm speechless, guys, because I can't believe that I found pillows this nice and this size for only $8 during the holidays. Like I'm just blown away. Another thing that I was blown away by is that a lot of the decor pieces I'm going to share with you in Dollar General, I wish I would have seen them earlier, because then I wouldn't have bought some of the stuff that I saw at Dollar Tree, because some of the decor pieces I'm going to share with you guys, they're actually the same price that it would be to DIY it, or actually much less. So these 2 pumpkins I'm going to share with you guys, these 2 pumpkin decors are gorgeous, guys. Look at these things, and they're big, they are huge. These, I would normally think that maybe they would sell them for like $8 or something like that. No, guys, this is only $4. $4 for this decor piece. Now these decor pieces, let me tell you, let me put this one down. This is like, okay, so Dollar Tree does have a version of these 2 pumpkins, but they're a smaller version, and they don't have this style. Like it's most of the time they'll have like cheesy things on it, like cheesy and corny kind of stuff that you would have to DIY it. This already comes very high-end looking. Like this is the style that you that's in style right now that you wouldn't have to DIY it at all. And it's these this word right here that says blessed is actually like 3D, which is another thing that would cost more at Dollar Tree. Like you would have to buy like the 3D words, you would have to buy this piece. It wouldn't be this size. You would have to buy a ribbon. So it would come out to $4 or more anyway, and it would be a smaller version. When this one is already finished, it already comes all done. It's bigger and it's just so nice. And this one, so this one says blessed. I love this one. And then this one also says, this one's a bigger one, which again, this one is also just $4. And this one is, like I said, it's a bigger version. It's also $4. And it says gather. Now they do have a version of these in like the orange. So they'll have like the bottom, and I took a picture for you guys. The bottom part is orange. But to me in the stores, I don't know if it's picking up on the picture, but to me, that orange looked like it was like a pinkish orange. So it didn't look like the orange that I decorate with. So I didn't pick them up, but that is an option if you guys want to see it. But if you guys want to get it, I want to take a picture and share with you guys. So they do have an orange option, but guys, this looks so high end. You don't have to do anything to it. For $4, this is bigger than the ones at Dollar Tree. You don't have to do nothing to it, and it's gorgeous, guys. I mean, even if I was to DIY it, like if I was gonna DIY the Dollar Tree version one, these have like little, like the lines. My stuff will probably not be crooked because I'm not really good at, you know, my hands shake. And these like little slits are actually slits that are made in the wood. So the detailing on this, they could have really charged you like $8 or $10 each for this, and that still would have been a good price. But for $4, I was amazed by that. And again, I wish I would have. See, my Dollar General is slowly bringing out fall stuff, and I wish they would bring all the fall stuff out so I can hurry up and get it and not spend so much at Dollar Tree. Because if I'd seen stuff that's already made and I don't have to DIY, it saves me so much time. But my Dollar General is just slowly bringing stuff in. But I wish they would just hurry up and bring everything else so I could see it. So another thing that was a good deal that I could not believe that was only $2. I kept checking were these little holiday tags. Now, let me show you. Like I said, they're $2, so you guys can know that they are actually $2. Why I was so surprised that these were $2, because for one, the tags itself is a thick like particle board, and the pieces on here, guys, this is 3D. This is actually a 3D truck and pumpkins, which you guys know that everybody loves the trucks and the pumpkin. That is like the sew in thing. And this thing is done already for you. Like, you don't have to DIY. A lot of people buy these little gift tags and buy the gift tags, buy the truck by itself, buy the little pumpkins by itself. And by that time, you're spending $3 to do this. This is already done for you. The wording is beautiful. The style of it is very what's in right now with the black and white. This is already done for you for $2. Like, I could not believe, like, I kept checking, like, I was like, are you sure it's $2? This is already done for you for $2. And it also comes like a little like strings too, if you can hang it. This is just amazing. It's just, look at it again, guys. It just blew me away. For $2, it saves you time, and it's already done. This one says, oh my God, I love fall. And this one again has a 3D, like, it's a galvanized pumpkin on it. And again, like, if you bought the stuff separate, you know, you spend $2 or more, and this is already done for you, and you don't have to, you know, it saves you time. And another thing, like I always tell you guys, whenever you see these like these little like decor pieces that come like with so many pieces, you could definitely take them apart and use it for other things. So like, let's say if you're not a tag person, or let's say you want to save the tags for maybe Christmas, but you love this little truck, just pop the truck off and you can put it on any other DIY. So it's very versatile. So I love that. I could not believe that was just $2. Another thing that was $2, excuse me, another thing that was $2 was this pumpkin, and it's actually a thick piece of wood as well. Look at how thick this piece right here is. This is like, so it could stand alone by itself. You do not need to put nothing to keep it up. So the fact that it's a piece of wood, that piece of particle board, this very thick, it's itself worth like $2. And then, you know, the back, if you want to redo it, you can. But it comes with like this beautiful print. There was a bunch of other prints, and I took a picture for you guys. But it comes with like different like words to it. I'm not sure if I'm a fan of having this dangle here, so I might take this apart and just have it like this, or I might take this and glue it to the middle itself. I don't know. The dangling to me is just not my style, but for $2 this is great. And like I said, they had other like designs to them, and I took a picture for you guys so you guys can see all the designs that were there. I think they had like about 4 choices, but I really like this one because it was different, because it was like greenish, and I didn't have nothing else that's green. You know, I like to add a little bit of touch of greenery everywhere I go. So I really like this one. I'm sorry if I'm like hoarse and stuff like that. My allergies are really acting up, guys. Another thing that was, well, let me see. I think, no, this one. This was $3, and I couldn't believe how gorgeous and beautiful this was. Of course, we've seen some at Dollar Tree, but not like this one. And this one's actually a bigger size. And like I said, this is $3. I wish this one was $2. It would have made it better, but they made it $3. And like you saw, it has like a little kickstand thing in the back. But this one is really beautiful. It says, there's so much to be thankful for. I love the writing. I love the color. I'm going to take off this little raffia bowl. I really don't like raffia. I always take that off of my stuff. So I'm going to take this off. They did have another version. It was a gray version. And I think it was like, I love fall most of all or something like that. But I took a picture for you guys to see it. So there is a gray version of this one. And then they had also these little square pumpkins. They were only $1. Which is, I think, also a good deal because it had like a stand for you. Everything that you would pay at Dollar Tree to make, this is like less than what you would have to pay for it. So I think it was such a good deal. I think this was such a good deal that all these little pieces that you can buy, like if you were going to make this, because a lot of people have made this with Dollar Tree products. If you were going to make this, you would have to buy a bunch of different things from Dollar Tree to make it. And the fact that this is all made already and it's only $1 is cool. And again, it has like this one, it says blessed. I'm not sure if I like the dangling, guys. I'm not sure. I think I might take it off. I think I might put the blessed. I don't know. I am not sure yet, but I'm just not feeling the dangle. That's not my style. But again, they had a bunch of different options for you guys, and I took a picture for you guys so you guys can see the different options. They really had a lot of options of the different things that they had, and they really like this pattern of like it looks like to me like the stuff that you see in blankets, but this was really cute for just $1. Another thing that they had that was just $1, they had like 5 different styles, and I picked 4. I could not decide, were these little like shadow boxes. Again, let me show you that they are $1. So I couldn't decide. I got this one. This said Hello Pumpkin. I just think it's really cute, and these are great for like tier trays. And then this one says Give Thanks, which I think the writing on this one is gorgeous as well. It's so beautiful. These are smaller, but like I said, they're for tier trays, or even if you want to decorate in your kitchen, they're perfect for it. This one I love. It says, I'm so glad I live in a world where there's Octobers. I've always liked that saying, and I've always wanted to get something with that saying. So the fact that I found this was really cute. And then the last one, of course, if I see anything with like a truck or Farm Fresh, I'm going to get it. This one says Farm Fresh Pumpkins with like the little gray kind of bluish truck. So that one was really cute as well. And again, like I told you, there's one other one. I think it was like a buffalo check black one, but I didn't get it. Speaking of buffalo check, they also have these pumpkins there. They come with the little letters that you can pick. Of course, I got R for Rhea, and it has like the buffalo check with the red R. And I love the fact that it has like the modern look of the black and white with like the touch of red. I think that's really cute. So I got that one. Another thing that I got that were for $1 was, and I couldn't pass up, with these little things right here. They come with, you know, everybody's so into the beads. Like everybody's so into the beads and getting beads to make like their little like bead garland and everything like that. So they've been bringing a lot of stuff with decor pieces with beads. Like you guys saw that when I was talking about Dollar Tree, they had like this decor box with the beads on it, which that right there for $1 was such a steal. So these little like shapes, these are $1. They had 4 different ones. I got all 4 of them. They come with the little beads on top of them. The only thing is I did plan to remove the beads, but it's going to leave a hole there. So I would have to like match the color if I wanted to cover it. But these are really cute to like if you want to hang. And this one says Fall Breeze and Autumn Leaves, as you can see. And it comes like these little wooden beads. And so, but I plan to take that wood. I was actually, I don't know if I'm going to keep it. I was planning on taking it off and doing something else, but we'll see. This one says Hello Pumpkin. I always like anything that says Hello Pumpkin. I think it's so cute. Again, I just love when we have like the black writing. It makes it look so modern. And these are a good size, guys. These are like the bigger than my hand. So these are a good size. This one is really pretty, which you guys are going to love because everybody loves that blue. This one says Give Thanks. And you guys know I love my blue. So this is like perfect to have. Again, these are good for tier trays or like even if you want to put them on your shelves. And then this one says Hello Fall. Or you can actually add them and use them to make a bigger sign. So I like that. So another thing that I want to share with you guys is not fall related, because I don't think that a lot of people know that Dollar General has that, is Dollar General has dollar wood letters, which I know a lot of us are always expecting Dollar Tree to bring wood letters out because they rarely never do. But Dollar General has in their craft section, or I think it's like the school supply or craft section, they have, you know, actual letters that are only $1. So I picked up a couple because I'm going to do a DIY. I want to show you. It has like this little like different shape, which I like because normally when you get like words, like little words that can be or not words, little what am I thinking about, little letters that are like $1, they always have them like the basic shape, but these have like a cute little like kind of like a cursive shape, or like a, I don't know how to explain it, like little loops shape. So there's different letters. I just wanted to share with you guys how they looked so you guys can know, but they're in that section for $1. So that is it for my Dollar General haul. Sorry, I'm kind of like feeling, I feel like I'm talking to you guys very like in a monotone and drowsy. It's just that the allergies are so bad here in Texas right now, and like my eyes are like watering so bad, and I was like, oh my god, I have to get on video, and I was like, they're gonna look red. But so I'm sorry if I'm kind of like in monotone, or it's just that my allergies are acting up. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned, because you guys will see that all of these decor pieces in my home when I finally do my decorate with me videos. I'm gonna stop waiting on the stores, and I'm just gonna start decorating because I'm ready to decorate for fall. I do have a video coming up. It's gonna share with you guys my morning routine now that the girls are in school, because a lot of you guys were asking me how I do my morning routine with me working at home and also with the kids in school. So that's going to be coming up, and I got a couple more DIYs to share with you guys for fall. Some of my tools decided to stop working, so like the charger stopped working, and so I have to go get a new charger and get some new tools so I can finish up some DIYs for you guys, and I can finally get this house decorated for fall. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out, and check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.